Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add bank account on Revolut. So let's get into the video. So open up Revolut and log into your Revolut account, and then once you've logged into your Revolut account, once you're on your home page here, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on this accounts tab here. So this will show up all your current accounts that you have. So if you want to add an account, you're going to simply hit on this add new option. Simply click on it, and then now you have the different types of account that you want to open. So you can just choose any of these. So for example, like currency account, I'll just choose a new normal currency account. Select that, and then now you're going to choose the currency that you want to add, you want to open the account with. So for example, like Canadian dollars, so simply choose another one, hit on it, and then that's it. Now you'll have a new account added to your Revolut. So it's pretty simple and straightforward process to add a bank account on Revolut. So I hope this information video was helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.